Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to many of our hearts, tidying up the garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, keeping your outdoor space neat and tidy is essential for a beautiful and inviting garden. So, let's dive into some practical tips to help you tidy up your garden and make it a place you can truly enjoy. First things first, let's start with decluttering. Take a walk around your garden and identify any items that are out of place, such as old pots, broken tools, or unused furniture. By clearing away these items, you'll instantly create a more organized and spacious feel in your garden. Next, let's talk about weeding. Weeds can quickly take over a garden if left unchecked, so it's important to regularly remove them to keep your garden looking its best. Spend some time pulling out any unwanted plants and be sure to dispose of them properly to prevent them from coming back. Now, onto pruning and trimming. Overgrown bushes and trees can make your garden look messy, so grab your pruning shears and trim back any unruly growth. Not only will this improve the appearance of your garden, but it will also promote healthier plant growth. Don't forget that you will also have to do some mowing. Lastly, don't forget about the power of a good cleanup. Sweep away any debris, rake up fallen leaves, and give your garden a good once-over to ensure it's looking its best. And there you have it, some practical tips for tidying up your garden. Remember, a well-kept garden not only looks beautiful, but also provides a peaceful and relaxing space for you to enjoy. So, take some time this weekend to tidy up your garden and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!